Hello everyone, so the question given is consider all rectangles lying in the region x comma y belongs to r cross r. Now when 0 is less than equal to x is less than equal to pi by 2 and 0 is less than equal to y is less than equal to 2 of sine of 2x and having one side on the x-axis. The area of the rectangle which has maximum perimeter among all such rectangles is, these are the options given. Now the answer is option C. This figure will be like this. Let the sides of rectangle are A and B, then perimeter is equals to 2A plus 2B, perimeter is equals to 2 of A plus B. Now B equals to 2 sine 2x and B equals to 2 of sine of 2x plus 2A, which implies that 2x plus 2x plus 2A equals to pi. X is equals to pi by 4 minus A by 2. For perimeter maximum, perimeter equals to 2A plus 2B equals to pi minus 4x plus 4 sin 2x. Now dp by dx equals to minus of 4 plus 8 cos 2x, which is equals to 8 cos 2x minus 1 by 2. Now this will be like this. P of max at x equals to pi by 6. Now area at x equals to pi by 6. Area equals to pi by 2 minus 2x into 2 of sin 2x, which is equals to pi by 2 minus pi by 3 into 2 into root 3 by 2, which is equals to pi by 2 root 3.